thank you very much for coming this conference. Today we are really excited the result that we have produced in the very first year. Allen Hyderabad, we started 1 year before, and honestly speaking, we had never thought that so quick we will be getting such a fantastic result. Definitely it is the result of hard work of our student, dedication of our team, as well as the trust of the parents. I would say trust of the parents in this is the most important aspect, because in the very first year when we came to Hyderabad, the parent have given their words in such an important time when in 1 year they are supposed to go for their JEE main as well as advanced examination. So thank you very much to the parents for trusting us, and I hope definitely we have come at our best in delivering the results that were expected. So if we talk about the result, New is with us, who has scored All India rank 104. Akshit is with us, who has scored All India rank 76, and we have Rishi with us, who has scored All India rank 8. Definitely such kind of result cannot be a coincidence. They have worked a lot, they have worked day and night dedicatedly, and I hope they would have enjoyed this journey, and in the future also they are going to achieve a lot more. In next month we are having another important examination, which is JEE Advanced, and we are hoping similar result to get in that examination also. If we talk about our Pan India result, so this year in 2026, Allen has got 4 students in top 10. So a great round of applause for the result. In top 100 in JEE Main 2025, we were having 26 students from classroom and 7 students from online and DLP. And I'm very proud and happy to announce that this year we have got 37 students from classroom and 4 students from online and DLP, which makes a total count of 41. So I would definitely hope that this will be the first milestone that we have achieved in Hyderabad. And as I say first milestone, definitely in time to come we are going to produce many more such wonderful results, and we are going to fulfill the dreams of many more kids in the city. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Thank you very
I'm
much.
Rishi Premnath, and I'm proud to be a student of Allen Hyderabad this year with a great result of rank 8 all over India and a 100 percentile in JEE Main Session 2 2026. And I thank all the Allen faculty members and my teachers for such a conducive environment and such great support. And thank you to my family for their never-ending care and guidance. I think joining Allen has been a game changer for my life. Thank you.
What is your unique success mantra to crack this A-rate?
I think believe in yourself, have confidence, and follow your teachers. I think that's the success mantra.
Great.
Shit from Allen Hyderabad, and I am proud to score 76 rank in JEE Mains this year. Allen has been a very helpful institute to help me reach my new heights. I firstly want to thank my parents and the Allen faculty here for always being there, being my biggest support, and making sure that through this entire journey I could study well and focus and reach all these new milestones. I also want to thank my peer group for always being there, making it a light-hearted environment and helping me feel better, and just being around people helps me feel better. So Allen has been very helpful. Here at Allen, we don't just learn to crack an exam, we learn to strengthen our fundamentals, which not only help us in exams, but in every single part of life. I have learned many life lessons at Allen too. So Allen, I am very glad that I joined here, and I thank every single faculty and person here who has contributed to my journey.
New Kocheta, I am proud to have secured rank 104 in JEE Mains. First and foremost, I thank my parents and my older brother. Obviously, they are the ones who believe in me, who are loving me till the end. So I'm really grateful for them. Allen has done a lot for me, especially in the final moments of the exam, where you have to stay positive, stay confident, and believe in yourself. And also my peer groups, I think together I'm really proud of all of us and all our results. So I love the faculty here. I love the atmosphere here, and I'm really grateful to be here at the end of my JEE journey.
Great, you cracked one of the greatest rank, all India rank. But what do you think why Alan is so special when compared with the other regarding things?
I think it's more about how your teachers talk to you even outside of classes, how your friends and your peer group talks to you outside of classes. It's about having the confidence and having the correct mentality. And at the end of the day, it's during the exam, whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen. As long as you give your best, I think that's what they helped me to do.